Hello friends, welcome to my channel Digitech Keys. Today video is on Circuitverse. Circuitverse is an online simulation tool for digital circuit simulation. It is a best tool to design digital circuits and also for computer architecture design. You can design and verify any complex circuit using it. For architecture design, it converts digital circuits into digital ICs or chips, which is called sub-circuits in the Circuitverse. Let's start with the basics of designing digital circuit using Circuitverse. So this is the Circuitverse window you can see here. This is the input option. So input is having many options. You can pick any one of these. Output option. In output there are also many options for output purpose. This is the red LED, this is the hex display, and this is the 7-segment display. So when you are using big project, you can use any one of these, but right now for digital circuit design we will use this one. Next is gates. These are the gates. When you are designing any digital circuit, you need these gates: AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, all these gates. Next is decoders and plexers. So here are 2x1 and 1x2 mux and demux, and others also. ALU is also there, and these are the sequential circuits. You can see D flip-flop, D latch, and any other options. Okay, so you can pick any one of these. So I will tell you how to design. So let's go to the gates. First I will tell you how to design a AND gate. Okay, so this is a I clicked on AND gate and place it here. You can just click it and you can place it here. Now this AND gate is having only 2 inputs. So if you want to increase the inputs, so you can just select it, and here you can see the input size. You can change the input size 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. But here I am using only 2 inputs, so I am selecting 2. Now just connect the input. Okay, so there are 2 inputs, so we will connect 2 input like this. Just wire it. Okay, next task is to connect output. So we will select this block and connect it like this. It's a 2 input AND gate. Now here you can check your truth table. See, 0 1 is giving you 0, 0 0 is also giving you 0, only 1 1 is giving you 1. So our AND gate is working properly. Okay, now this is the way to design the digital circuits. Now how this circuit will be designed for IC purpose. Okay, so let's start. I am designing a 4 input AND gate. This 4 input AND gate IC will have 4 inputs and 2 outputs. So I will again select one AND gate. This AND gate we will select, and inputs as we did it before. Output. Okay, so this is your 4 input AND gate and 2 outputs are there. Okay, now this you can see here main and main is here. So if you want to change the name of this sub circuit, you can change it. This untitled is your final project. Suppose we are putting it 8 bit 8 input AND gate. Okay, this is our final project of this video. Okay, and here in this window we have designed only 4 inputs, so we will place 4 input. You can design 8 input here also, but I am just telling you to how to get the chip. Okay, so this is your 4 input AND gate. Okay, so now if you want to take design to 8 input AND gate, so just open a new, you can just click the plus sign. There will be, it is asking you want to give the name, so we will later give it a name. Okay, so this is your circuit. Now just go to the circuit. We are calling our 4 input AND gate. Okay, So this is the circuit, just click on it. Yeah, so insert sub circuit, it is asking insert sub circuit. Okay, so this 8 input AND gate is your project, and these are your sub circuits. You will design, you can sub circuit multiple sub circuits. You can once design 2 input AND gate, then again 4 input AND gate, like this, and then go to the 8 input. You can directly design 8 input AND gate. Okay, so here we have saved only one sub circuit, that is 4 input AND gate, so we will call it insert sub circuit. Now you see, now in this is a IC. Okay, it looks like IC if you aware with the ICs of the digital circuit, so it look like IC. But how you will know that this input and this input will give you output at this point, and this input and this input will give you output at this point? So what we need to do, we need to label it. Okay, so we will go again to our main circuit, that is 4 input AND gate. So we will start labeling it. So here you just select, this is our input, so you can select here and you can label it. So you label it A0. Okay, similarly you can label it this one A1. Similarly you can label it A2, A2, and this is A3. Okay, like this you will label it. You just select it. These are your outputs, so you can label these also, C0 and C1. Okay, if you want to give your AND gate name, you can also give your AND gate name, that is AND 1. Okay, so direction, because it is showing here, so we will put it here, up direction. So label direction, just select up direction. Label direction, you will click on it and you will get up. Just place it up, it will go like this. Okay, similarly you can do here also, and 2 if you want to, although there is no need to give the name because you already know what is AND gate. Okay, now if you go, whatever change you have done in this your window, you can get all the changes to your untitled circuit, means in your chip. Okay, you can see A0, A1, A2, A3. Now you know A0 and A1 will give you output at C0, A2 and A3 will give you output at C1. Okay, so this is the circuit. Okay, now you want to make 8 input AND gate, so you can again call it. Okay, again call insert sub circuit. You see it is saying insert sub circuit. Now see, this is A0, A1, A2, A3, A0, A1, A2, A3, like this. Now what we will do, because we want to create 8 input AND gate, our final purpose is 8 input AND gate. So what we will do, we will again connect some inputs and label them. See, 1, 2, yeah. Now just connect it. Similarly give output. 4 outputs are there, so you can give 4 outputs. Now if you want to give the name, so here you can give A0, or you can change also A1. It depends on you, how you want to design your chip. A2, and A3, this will be A4, A4, A5, A6, A7. Okay. Similarly, you can level it C0, C1, C2, C3. Okay. Now this is your 8 input AND gate. Okay. So we can change it here. Okay. 8 input AND gate. 8 input AND. Okay. To avoid the confusion, I'm not writing gate here. Okay. So now this is the winner. Now if you want to call this, you want to make a big chip, so you can call again. We already, okay, we will save it later. Now you can again call it, and now you will get 4 input and 8 input, so you can call 8 input. So this is our 8 input AND gate. If you want to design, you can design 32-bit, 16-bit like this by just calling again and again this, like this. So that's all for the today video. In next video I will tell you how to design the half adder and full adder by using the Circuitverse software, which is I think first experiment number 1 for the CSA lab, computer system architecture lab, and it will also helpful for the digital circuit design students. So guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe it. Thank you.